Dov Eichenwald, born November 7, 1955, is CEO and publisher of Yedioth Books and editor-in-chief of the publishing house. Biography. Dov Eichenwald is the son of Abraham Zvi, a Holocaust survivor who survived Auschwitz, and Sarah Waltowski, who was born in Jerusalem. He grew up in Bnei Brak, attended Harrow High School in Ramat Gan, and served in the IDF as an investigating officer in the Army's military police. Following his release, he began to study for a BA at Bar Ilan University, but did not finish due to a serious injury he suffered while serving as a reserve commander during the 1982 Lebanon War. In the aftermath of the Tyre headquarters bombings, Dov was trapped under rubble for 9 hours and was rescued in serious condition. Since childhood, Dov helped his father operate the family business Yedioth Books, a small independent publishing house specializing in non-fiction literature, and as an adult he joined the management. In 1994, a partnership was formed between Yedioth Books and Yedioth Aronoth, thus founding Miskal Publishing, known today as Yedioth Books. Eichenwald serves as CEO of the publishing house ever since. Dov is remarried to Dr. Tali Eichenwald, Vice Dean of the Arison School of Business at IDC Herzliya, and they live in Givat Shmuel. Dov has 8 children and is a loving grandfather of many grandchildren. References. External links. Shiri Lev Ari, Man About the House Haaretz, June 29, 2005. Unu Duao, EO 1982. Uuk no Naoi, Ena 26 Ndokun 2012. Unu Duao, Nun Echo circumflex Thorno circumflexo acuto circumflex a circumflex Thorno o de Duiu Umlau Thornio, Ena 25 Ndu 2014. Unu Duao, Thorno aeons any thorn o circumflex a umlaut times o tilde o circumflex times unioi, Ena 3 Duo 2014. Unu Duao, eth times u graph y acute u umlaut o circumflex u umlaut y acute, Ena 31 nea acute a umlaut o thorn 2013.